Hi there. By the afternoon, many places will be experiencing blue skies and spring-like warmth, but actually in places it's been a chilly and foggy start to the day. And we've also seen areas of cloud, medium cloud, drift north with some showery activity affecting Ireland into parts of Wales, Cornwall, as well as western Scotland. You can see the fog on the sat pic there as well across central and southern parts of England, East Wales. Now that's going to clear by the afternoon, but it'll take some time to get there. We've got warm and dry southerly winds, but just on the edge of this high pressure, we've also got this medium level cloud drawn north with the showery activity heading towards northwestern parts of the UK. And we've also got a fair amount of Saharan dust being drawn north, so watch out for a vivid sunset later. That will be evident in some places, particularly where we've got some medium cloud towards the west. The showers, though, will continue across central and southern Scotland into the afternoon, 1 or 2 possible for Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Otherwise, once the fog clears elsewhere across England and Wales, plenty of sunshine and temperatures will really shoot up. I think widely 10 to 13 Celsius, but it's possible in some spots, particularly where we've got the winds coming over higher ground to the south. They'll get 14 to 16 Celsius, so the warm spots likely to be North Devon and North Wales, as well as through the Bristol Channel area. So very warm for Valentine's Day, although not the warmest Valentine's Day on record. That's record stands at above 19 Celsius. Into the evening, the fog will reform across parts of southeast and eastern England. Be more patchy, I think, compared with the previous night, but some dense patches nonetheless. A few frost patches as well. But for western Scotland and Northern Ireland, here we've got cloud and increasing winds by the end of the night, gales for the Outer Hebrides. So that will keep temperatures up at 6 or 7 Celsius. Low single figures where we've got the clearer spells and the lighter winds elsewhere across central and eastern England. A touch of frost in places to wake up to. The fog will clear a bit more quickly, I think, compared with Tuesday morning. And then sunny skies for a time across central and eastern areas, whilst the weather front that brings the rain to the northwest, that crosses Scotland and Northern Ireland. It pushes into England and Wales as a weakening feature, an area of cloud, and you can see some light sporadic rainfall. Ahead of that, we keep the sunny spells and 14 or 15 Celsius possible, so another relatively mild day towards the southeast. Still mild to the rear of the front, but temperatures dipping away, 8 or 9 Celsius for Scotland, and some blustery showers moving in here by the end of the day, whilst the cloud thickens across Northern Ireland and the next weather system moves in by late afternoon, evening. This will bring some persistent damp weather into Ireland and then pushing into West Wales and Cornwall by the end of the evening. The initial front clears the southeast as a really quite weak feature. In between, some clear spells, so some mist and fog forming for a time. But really, Thursday's dominated by a succession of weather fronts moving in, and more especially this warm front crossing the country, bringing, well, a warm sector, this air between a warm front and a cold front, moist, mild, humid. So cloudy and drizzly through much of Thursday before a low pressure moves in, a deepening low. It deepens as it crosses northern Scotland. Still some uncertainty about the precise wind values associated with this, but it's likely to be a very windy day for northern parts of the UK, particularly over the Pennines, the Scottish Mountains, and just downwind of the Scottish Mountains and the Pennines. So increasingly unsettled as we end the week, but higher pressure returns from the south through the weekend.